What's up, guys? Today we're at the SECA park. Is that what that's called, Dad?
Yep.
Okay, we're at the SECA park, and they have like an auction going on in here, a classic car auction. And it looks pretty packed. Oh yeah. So classic car auction here.
Go show
tractor pull there.
Go show them the back of the food truck there.
Oh yeah, look at this food truck. It's a John Deere, and on the other side's a Farmall.
It's like checkers, you lose it. 20 to get 25. 20 to get 25, 25, 25 to get 25. We'll do it. 20 to get 25, to get 29, 25. 29 next there, 1, 4, 6.
I like the Harley.
Next, looks like we got another pickup truck. Look
at all these bikes here. It's so cool. Here's one thing that really stuck out to me was this columnist, I think. I'm probably going to stay around and see how much this goes for. And these Hondas, because I've been looking for some of these for a while now. So that's cool. So to start it, you have pedals instead of kickstarters. They're really cool. So that's similar. That would be similar to like a Pirelli style bike. And these little Hondas are cool. They're cool as could be. Little N60s. My dad's looking for one of these. He was mainly looking at this one. And then this thing. Dude, these little 160s are so cool. Even these parts bikes. That gold wing looks nice. This thing's a 2026. They did a good job retroing this thing. That looks cool. 43. Petty car?
We got oil fillers and ignition parts.
This ain't a petty car, is it? Might be. Look, it's a race one too because they had that to hold the windshield in. Dude, this is a pretty car.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
We got, oh, look at that, Days of Thunder,
C10.
Up there, NASCAR poster, up there, now, now, 50 to 25, 10, 20 to 10,
No way, this 89 still got the window sticker in it. 13 or 17 mile per hour. Dad, 13 to 17 mile per gallon. I said mile per hour. That's a clean truck. Another C10. Oh, look at this Dodge Camper. A 79 Winnebago. The mini Winnie. That's cool. Here, 440 trying to crank over. Once you get them to run, they run good though. Fernando? Is that what that says? Oldsmobile.
Tornado?
Oh, Tornado. I thought it said Fernando. Tornado, yeah. Jaguar. That's cool. Corvette. Look at this Ford. It's still got the window sticker in it.
Corrugated steel. And put different size boards on it, so it's pitched so that the
H2 Homer.
Yeah.
Oh, that building's cool too.
That's pretty cool.
71 C10, yeah.
Slam. That looks like something Jason packed. I see a first gen in there.
I see a Can-Am Spider.
trailer.
Yeah. Over here's cars too.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. '65 Mustang.
They're all 100 miles. They pick up a spindle, and I got 600 of them, but they don't know.
It's a nice looking GMC there.
Yeah. The regular cab builder.
Yeah. It's probably a hard to find truck.
Yeah.
That thing's cool.
Cool little Ford truck.
F100. Little MG. Midget. Would not want to be in one of these next to a semi truck. Dakota. First gen Dakota. Here's like a 2016 Can-Am Spider. You can tell because they had the long headlights in 2016, 2014 to 2016. My mom got a 20 something, 22. Yeah, that's it. Can-Am Spider. Wheels keep on turning. Bring me home to see my can. Yeah, I think it's this one. OBS Ford. This is a clean second gen. We just dusted off our second gen yesterday. Oh my goodness, this thing's clean. We just dusted ours off yesterday. He's hiding something under them dash vents. Probably a cracked dash. Actually, no, that's too nice to be a cracked dash. We dusted off our 1,000 horsepower second gen yesterday. Ours is like a dually too. Plymouth Roadster. Caddy. Bel Air. 3600 Chevrolet. Volkswagen van. Well, S10. El Camino. Cool car. I love El Camino. Stingray. Ford looks pretty good with like the patina on it and everything. Another Stingray. And these cars are all getting auctioned off. Little Chevy van. Oh, see. Oh, Model A Roadster. Oh, look at that. It's got a bed. That's cool. Oh, man. That's a good looking first gen. That's awesome. Thing's mint. This thing's sharp. What?
You in love?
Yeah.
Make you a nice first truck.
Oh, yeah, it would.
Used to be able to buy these for $2,500.
Brand new?
Not brand new, but used in nice shape.
This thing will probably go for 25 grand.
You got that thing in front?
I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go see some tractor pulling.
There's a tractor pull at the other side of the park.
Yeah.
Let's go see what's up.